After launching my first video for Spiralcity N-Pire layout, I realized that I actually didn't start from the very beginning, because when I started building the layout, I did not video any of it. I took a lot of pictures of what I was doing and posted them to Trainboards and nscale.com because I've been a long time member on those two sites. I've been on those sites forever. So I was just keeping track of my build through those sites without having a actual YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is just post a few pictures up in the corner on that side over here, or the other side, whatever, of how I actually started. I'll start dropping them now so you can see them and they can run through. It's going to be a very short video. There's about 11 photos of the early build, from building the actual table to getting to the top and starting laying the track down in the road bed and all that kind of thing. So I'll get those pictures up above me. You can take a look at them. But I wanted this will be like a precursor to the actual first video. This is the actual very beginning of where I started, how the railroad began. I mean, I could go way back. I had a layout before this, built just onto like poster board. It was a very light layout. You can move it around. I stopped that process because my room was taken over by my granddaughters, my train room. I had them with me for a while. So I gave up my room to them, put the board in storage, and when I pulled it back out, many of the tracks pulled away from each other, and it was just the way I had it built. It was not worth restoring it, so I just started over with a bigger layout, one that's more aggressive, a little more footage, a lot more detail can be added to this layout. So as you can see from above, this is how it actually started. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate it very much. I should have started right here from the beginning. So this was just kind of an afterthought. I went through my photos, found them, and I was like, boy, I should put them up because it is part of the actual build and how I started. So thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you very soon.
Got a plywood prairie and a sky painted blue. Foam hills rising with a morning dew hue. Ballast laid down, curves flowing just right. Fresh track shining in the open light. Solder still warm where the feeder's all high. Throttle in my hand, it's a Milwaukee ride. Hear that hum, feel that rail. a big time tale. She's a Milwaukee road